Good morning, children. Today we will study about chapter number 5, business services. I have already explained about what is business services. Now today we will study about the 5 business services. The most important 5 business services are banking, number 2 insurance, number 3 communication, number 4 transport, number 5 warehousing. In this video we will study about the banking. Now what is banking? Banking is an act of depositing money in banks and withdrawing it when needed. So withdrawing the money in the bank, and then when needed we can take out the money from the bank is basically called the banking. It occupies a very important position in the modern business world, and no country can make commercial and industrial progress without the well organized banking system. And bank also helps to encourage the habits of saving among the public. They mobile the small savings and channelize them into the productive uses. Now what is the meaning of bank? A bank is an institution which deals in money and credit. So when you want the loan, you go to the bank, that is called the credit. When you want to deposit the money or withdraw the money, you go to the bank. It collects deposit from the public and supplies credit, thereby facilitating exchange. It also performs many other functions like credit creation, agency function, general services, etc. Hence, bank is an organization which accepts deposits, lends money, and perform other agency functions. So these are all the functions of the bank, like the accepting of the deposits, then lending the money, giving the loans, that is also called credit creation. And nowadays banks are giving many types of services. These are basically the commercial bank. These are basically the works of the commercial bank. So a commercial bank is that financial institution which accepts deposit from the public and offers a loan for the purpose of consumption or investment. Very important that it deposits the money, commercial bank deposits the money, and also offers the loan for the purpose of consumption, so that the people can consume the money, buy the goods and services, and also for the investment. Bank provides loan for the investment. The bank pays interest on deposits and charge more interest on loan. So when you deposit the money in the bank, they give you the interest, but when you take the loan from the bank, they charge higher interest. As a result, that profit is basically the difference in the interest is the profit of the bank. Now basically there are two types of bank: public sector bank, that is also called the government bank, and also the private sector banks. Public sector banks are owned by the government, and they are basically for the welfare of the people. Government banks are for the welfare of the people, while the private banks, they are managed and owned by the private sector, and their main basic objective, the main motive and the basic motive of the private bank is to earn profit. Very good example is the ICC bank, HDFC bank. When the government bank, we have SBI, very good example. State Bank of India, then Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, all these are government banks. Now what are the functions of the commercial bank? This chart shows you that basically there are two functions of the commercial bank. primary function and the secondary functions. The primary functions are basically accepting the deposits and lending the deposits. In the secondary function we have agency function and the general utility function. In the next video we will study about the primary function, and then we will study in the another video we will study about the secondary function. Thank you.